How to fix Capcut blur effect not showing. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, tap open your Capcut application and select a project in which the blur effect is not working. So the effect can be found at the bottom of the toolbar in the effects section and by clicking on the video effect. Right over here, you may see the option of blur, or in the search bar, you can even type in the keyword blur. If the effect does not pop or is not working, firstly check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not acting up, the Capcut feature will simply not work, especially the blur effect or any other effect in Capcut. So if your Wi-Fi is acting up, make sure to select a better network connection. Second step is to see if there is any of the bug or the glitch issue. For that, go ahead and open up your phone settings. Within your phone setting, tap on the option of apps. Click on all apps and search for Capcut. Now to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue, tap on the force stop and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. After this, you can launch a Capcut application once again and I bet your issue will be solved. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.